are doing a new taste test. If we like ice cream or shaped donut, peach is better.
All right, where are we, Des?
I don't know. At Johnson's Farm.
Thank you.
Oh,
Smart
I
one.
thought you meant
Okay, Chase, what is this called?
a donut peach. I think it's just a ripoff.
Okay, what do you think it's gonna taste like?
Like a donut and peach on the outside.
Think it's gonna be sweet or sour?
Sweet.
All right, give it a taste. Let's see. What's his reaction? See his face.
It's the same thing as a peach. I knew it. It was a ripoff. It was a ripoff. It was a ripoff. But it tastes like a donut.
No, you're gonna have a bite of his.
So good.
It's good? Oh, good. All right, see what you think, Logan.
Oh my god. You scored a chase.
What do you think?
Hold on, I didn't bite.
Okay. What's the noise in the background? What do you think? Chase, if 1 out of 5, what do you give it?
5.
Ooh, it's a high rating. Well,
You can stop taking bites. 10,000.
oh, you love it? Des, you gonna try it?
Nah.
Boo.
Oh my god, just. You guys.
Enjoy.
You guys.
Come
look,
back
look,
again
look.
for another food challenge.
Please subscribe.